certain people also have healing crisis. So for example, there are times that some clients and even some participants, they've actually had fever after the course. These kind of ways are body and mind's ways to vent it all out. For example, fever. So what's the temperature of fever? It's hot, right? So heat or hot is related to what emotion?
Anger, maybe.
Anger, absolutely. So there's a possibility of the anger getting released through the body, and that's how that fever, right? It's the body's way of venting it out. The anger has been within. So it's the body's way to vent it out. Okay. So these are called as healing crisis. And in fact, in homeopathy, if you've been to, they'll give you certain medications where the symptoms get aggravated and then it drops. Okay. So it's called as homeopathy aggravation. So these are all forms of healing. So you can also tell your clients or whoever you work with, hey, this is completely fine.